Hello everybody, welcome to my math class again. Today I'll practice 8 SAT type questions. This time also speedy test problem. Okay, so number 1, all numbers divided by both 4 and 9 are also divided by which number? Okay, and number 2, the odometer of an automobile registers only 4.8 miles for every 5 miles driven. If the odometer indicates 120 miles, how many miles has the odometer actually driven? Okay, these two questions you may need about 20 seconds. Okay, but you stop 30 seconds and practice. Okay, stop. Okay, how was it? Number 1, divisible by 4 and 9 means they made a question using the theorem of least common multiple. Least common multiple of 4 and 9 will be 18. So any number divided by 4 and 9 is guaranteed divided by 5, 18. Least common multiple. So 3 only. Number 2, odometer registers only 4.8 for actual driving distance of 5 miles. For this question, you go, okay, 120 divided by 4.8, how many times they record for every 5? So times by 5 will give you actual answer, okay? Okay, you use your calculator. You already did it. You just compare. Now, number 3. If 1 over 7 of a certain number is 2, what is 2/5 of the number? Number 4. If a store purchases several items for $1.44 per dozen and sells them at $3.50, what's the store's profit on 4 dozen of these items? Okay, number 5. The ratio of length of side of 2 squares is 3:5. What is the ratio of their ratio, the areas? Number 6. If 1,500 feet of road frontage is available for developing lots, and each lot is to have from 125 feet to 150 feet of frontage, what is the difference between the maximum and minimum number of lots that could be developed? Okay, not hard questions at all here. Also, okay, for these 4 questions, you need 1 minute, no more than 1 minute. Okay, stop the video and solve. Okay, if 1 over 7 of a certain number is 2, the number must be 14. You can get the idea right away, right? Right away. So, what is 2/5 of 14 means times by 2 over 5. If you multiply 20 divided by 5 will be 5.6. Number 4. Certain store will purchase for $1.44 each dozen. Then to compare each dozen, you just go by 4 in 1 dozen. How many do you have? 4 of them, right? It means like, you buy $1.44 and then sell you for dozen $2. Then from each dollar, you make 56 cents. Correct? Then 4 dozen, you just times it by 4. Then $2.24. The purchaser make profit, right? Number 5. The ratio length of a side of 2 squares is 3:5. All squares are similar. When you have a similar figure, if they give you ratio of length to get ratio of area, you just square. Okay? Area, for example, the length given by centimeter, then area will be centimeter square, which means what? From length, you just square. So the answer will be 9 to 25. Okay, speedy test. Now, available frontage is 1,500. So 1,500 divided by 125, then you will get 1,500 divided by 125 will be 12. Means that you can make 12 lots. But if we go by larger size, 150, then 1500 divided by 150 will be 10. So difference will be two pieces. Now number 7, a certain machine produces 24 items in every W hours, and the W is greater than half or less than 1. How many items does the machine produce per hour? Okay, number 8. If A, 1 over A, B, 1 over B, C, and 1 over C are integers. Okay, if certain number and reciprocal are integer, means the value can be 1 over -1 only. Okay, no other possible value. If A is a value other than absolute value 1, then reciprocal will be decimal, cannot be integer. So only possible value will be 1 over -1. So we can go by A, B, C, all of them are 1, then A, B, C will be 3, is okay. If 2 of them are positive, 1 negative, then 1. If 2 of them are negative and 1 is positive, then -1. If all of them are -1, then -1, so -3, but cannot be 4 at all. Okay? Not hard question at all. Okay? Easy, no problem. Now, for more practice, you go to my website, www.A.durkkim.com, SAT test, and click SAT1. Or if you want to practice for a certain topic, then you go to my website, www.A.durkkim.com, and index. In index, you can find your interested topic, and then you can see on what YouTube or in my website where those questions are. Okay? You can find. Thank you. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye.